So we will be making JavaScript DOM easy today. Our task is to, through HTML, we'll be using JavaScript DOM functions and make a fundraising web page. We will take the input from a form which will ask for data, description, raised amount, goal amount, and the image link. And the user submits this form, we need to create a div card, something like this, on our web page with the inputs provided by the user. We will be using event listeners and the set and setting of attributes to achieve this particular result. So let's move towards solution. Let's start with this particular thing. You just need to give a exclamation mark and push enter. It will create this basic details template for you. You give this fundraiser. Okay, so we need to add a submit button here, which we will be doing it right this input type submit, which is an inbuilt thing. You need to create an ID for this. So now you will have the submit button here. So our goal is, we have done this creation of form. Our goal is, once we submit, we need to create a card with this campaign particular data. And we are aiming it to something look like this, where we'll be having this picture on the top, the amount raised here, the goal amount here, the title here, the description. So let's do it. So what our next function is, what we want is, right now if we are typing something like this, now what if we are giving it an input, it won't give me anything, because the file doesn't know what exactly to do with this, right? We have just created an input form. We need to set an attribute through this JavaScript DOM so that it can listen once this submit button is pressed. We want this HTML to do something once this submit button is pressed. So what we will do is, we'll go to the body part. We need to write the script. So what we will do is, what we want is, once this submit button is clicked, we want this code to do something, right? So first I need to hold this submit button. So this submit button is here, but this is a HTML code and it doesn't know how to take it. So we need to create it same like JavaScript in the script thing. Okay, so it will extract this particular field and we need to take the value from it. So we will be adding, So we have taken the value, and this value we need to, from this value we need to create a box. So I am creating another function with the name create box, where these values will be passed, and accordingly it will create a box, right? So, so next what we will do is we need to create a box with this particular, and we want this function to run. So to create a image div like this, we will be creating one box. What we will be doing is we'll be creating one div. I'll be creating one div, one outer div with this particular thing. Then we will be creating another one div for this image, one div to get this is, and one div to arrange this. Easy manner. So yeah. So this is what we have done. So our first task is to create a main div, big div. So how we will do it? We will be creating the first div. So what we have done is I've written rest of the part. So we have created this image div. I'll share this HTML box code in the description below, so you can get that feel with it. You can get this in the description link, this particular file. So we have created this second div. We have created the raised div, gold div, and we have appended it there. What next we will be doing is bottom div we have created. Bottom div we are setting an attribute which will be, now we will be adding this attribute to the main box. 30% because we want 3 in a page max.
We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. 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 We about to turn it on. Go, 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 go. We about to turn it on. Turn it on. We about to turn it on.